gonna film some air conditioners and heat pumps. Some window air conditioners over there. I may or may not get caught. Yeah, that's a Frigidaire. A Hale. Over there is an American Standard gas pack. Oh, and there's another unit with it. The monitor just turned on. Then we've got this Lennox Mill, I believe. And it might have been running, so maybe it's a heat pump. I don't know. Let me see what year this is from. 2018. Yeah, it's 2018 Lennox. There's an American Standard over there. There's another air conditioner over there. Not sure if you were able to see it or not. Another air conditioner. It's an American Standard. I don't think it's been running. So this might actually be an air conditioner. July 2002. This is officially 20 years old. And there's a destroyed vents cover. And we're near that building with. We're near the building with 3 train air conditioners. One with a Mitsubishi side discharge. Over there. You're not gonna go to those? But yeah. I have a feeling there might actually be more. Like, even more. Oh! And right off the bat, we already found even more. On the rooftop. And even more! Can't go to those? Probably Tech 2000. Silencer systems. Just saw that feels like a security camera. Yeah, all those are probably Tech 2000 silencer systems. This American Standard Silver Series heat pump, while I was gone, it started up in cool mode? Because I feel like kind of warm air blowing out of here. May have already showed you that there's like a York. How the heck I saw it? Oh. Okay. We are back at these four kind of like air conditioners. Just like last time, none of them are running. XL69 for March of 2012. We'll be able to tell if they've been running or not. Because of the design. March of 2012 as well. April of 2012. Mitsubishi electric split system.